Here you can see our portable charge stations. They are widely used by our military units, a lot of different purposes. Was developed especially for military usage. They are waterproofed and they have protection from the dust via these cases. Also, we have our cases, they are made from aluminium, and they have protection level IP54. They widely used by our, as I told before, by our military units to charge and deliver energy to different types of devices which used by military units. It's like drones, EV, and electrical signal intelligence systems. Also, you can start your car engine up to 2.5 liters. They are battle-proofed, and we are in close contact with our military units, and we receive a lot of feedbacks from our military units, and we make some modification in accordance to their needs.